Hello and welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Nationwide credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into Nationwide credit card account, first open up a web browser. In the URL box at the top, type in www.nationwide.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of nationwide.co.uk. To log in and access your credit card, you'll need to first log into your online banking account. Go to the upper right hand corner and mouse over to this login drop down and click on Log into Internet Bank option. On the next page, you'll need to provide your customer number and your date of birth. Simply type in your unique number for your online banking. It's like a username when you log in. Once you type in your credential, go to the next field and type in your date of birth information. In case you don't remember your customer number, you can click on Forgotten Your Customer Number link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for it. After you type in your credential and you'd like this information to be remembered by your system, click on this Remember Me box beneath. But do not select this box if you're using a shared computer. After typing in your credential, click Continue, and once your information has been verified, you'll be taken to a next step. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you'll be able to get access to your Nationwide internet banking. After you are logged in, click on the credit cards option and you'll be able to access your credit card online. That is how it can be easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.